Guys, oh my God! Ang cute-cute niya! Oh my gosh! Sobrang cute niya. And look at this. Oh my gosh! And that's the back detail of it. Thank you so much to my sister for bringing all of it. I'm so happy! Guys, like, sino naman hindi magkakagusto dyan? Mga pusan dyan. Sobrang cute sa mga cat lover dyan. Alam kong nagigets niyo ako. Oh my God, ang cute. Imagine. Ang cute-cute niya. Like, meow, 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 meow. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much to my sister. I really, 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 really love you. Oh my gosh, and she also got me this sticker. Like, thank you so much to my sister. I'm so happy! Like, you know. Kasi lagi ako nanonood sa TikTok live and lagi ako nagmamine. Tapos midnight na yon and nakikipag-unahan talaga ako mag-mine ng Baupusan. Soon guys is mag-room tour ako. And ang room tour na yun ay Baupusan Team Room. See you on my next one. Bye! Thank you for watching.